Moi Air Base in Isli needs to move or get relocated from where it is right now. Isli residents, especially the children, are suffering from vitamin D deficiency and calcium deficiency. Because there is no enough space for recreational activities, there is no single recreational park in Isli. People are either in their houses, in their offices, working, or in schools studying. There is no open space where people can go and walk and, enjoy the sunlight. There is no enough parking spaces for vehicles. How do you expect an estate that hosts over 1 million residents to not have even a single recreational park or a recreational space? I don't know who to direct this message to. I don't know whose authority